I'm gonna turn up a little bit because I feel like I don't feel anything. That sounds a little higher. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by, but make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Today, I am not only bringing you a new skincare video, but a new skincare device. I have the Luvia BeautyPro 2.0 here. This is the 6 neon and argon fusion high frequency device that apparently estheticians use, luxury spas use, that I'm gonna use, and luckily we have 2 face demons to test it out on. So if you guys are ready to get into this new skincare device with me, we'll run through the specs. I have all my notes. We're gonna get into it. Keep on watching. We're gonna jump right into it. So this is the professional high frequency wand, and it comes with six glass attachment heads. This Velcro. And here's how it comes. If you think it looks nasty, seek Jesus. You're gross. Ugh, y'all so nasty. Okay, so let's run it down. So this is where you put the attachment. Yeah, it do look kind of, I'm gonna put that down. So there's 6 attachment heads, and they are a fusion of neon and argon gas. I got the complete. I did pay $108. Right now there's like some, probably not by the time you guys see it, but there is like a promo going on where there's 50% off for an anniversary, plus whatever, I think a 10% or 20% discount that they sent for a welcome email. I was on it, so I only paid $108. It is usually, yeah, so I paid $108. I don't know if that sale is still going on. So I have the ultimate version that comes with the 6 attachment heads. The clear version comes with 4 attachment heads. That is with the neon gas. The Pro comes with 3 neon and 3 argon attachments. Mine comes with the 6, which has a fusion of both. So we'll run through the attachments real quick. So this is the, and they're glass, y'all. So this is the comb attachment that's supposed to use for your hair to stimulate the follicles and promote hair growth. So you just use this straight on the scalp. I'm afraid to break these, y'all. So this is like a domed mushroom attachment. This you use like for larger areas of the face. This one is the spot treatment attachment. As you guys can see, there's like a bulb at the end. This I'm actually going to be using today because I have those face demons we're going to talk about. Here is the leaf attachment that's supposed to be a good fit for under the eye to promote a collagen and, you know, help with those dark circles. So it's also supposed to, like I said, boost collagen. It's supposed to fight and target acne, those acne causing bacteria, and get it out the way. Now I won't lie to you guys, I saw an ad with It's My Ray Ray and I was like, I trust her. If you know who It's My Ray Ray is on YouTube, then you're gonna be like, yeah. Where apparently people are using this the night before, targeting the pimples, the acne that they're getting. Mostly, I hear it's really, really good for cystic acne that's under the skin. So it targets it before it like comes out. Or if it's really bad, those clusters, you can work on it and it should be going away. But the claim says overnight. I'm gonna test it. This attachment, kind of like a wishbone, is like to get on like the neck, your décolleté. That's the word that I love. And the last one is just like a rod attachment. You guys can see without it. They said this is good for any parts of the body. So some claims, some really, really strong claims to help fight and help clear up acne scars, target acne, and kill those acne causing bacteria at the source. Okay, boost collagen in your skin for clear, more even skin. It's just a lot going on, and I'm ready to get into it because I'm doing a lot more talking and a lot less testing it out. So I'm gonna put my hair back. We're gonna get a little close, intimate, and we're gonna try. We're a little closer. We move the hair. We flipped the septum. I did see take out jewelry. I'm probably not gonna do that, but it's okay. I have these two Professor Pin Pals Face Demons, one here and one here. I put a close-up image on the screen so you guys can see. Literally came out of nowhere. I just got this device today. Perfect timing to see if it actually works. So the claims that I'm seeing a lot is I can get rid of these overnight. They're small enough. They literally just popped up because hormones. And I hear that it's great for hormonal acne. So I'm ready to put it to the test. Two things I keep seeing is that you want to go in with a clean face with just a water-based serum, if that. So I did, my face is clean. I came out of the shower not too long ago. All I did was use a toner and things like water-based serums, but I don't want to use my serum and then use this device. I'll do my regular skincare after, which they do say you should continue your regular skincare, so that works. They also recommend some gauze to either put on your face and then put the device on as a barrier. It's supposed to build more ozone and give you better results. Or I've seen some people tie it on the end and use it that way. So we'll see. We'll see what we want to do. But I do have some gauze. I'm gonna first try this spot treatment head first. So I'm going to you just push it in. Oh, okay, not bad. They recommend to start with 2 clicks. So let's turn it on. That's 1. Where's the other click? Okay, 1. Maybe that's too high. Okay, so that's 2. It's not very loud. I don't know. So they also say you want to ground it with your finger. Oh, you don't really feel too much. And once it touches your skin, you let go. I'm feeling it's very slight. So I don't know. And every time you take it off, you put your finger back. I'm just gonna go ahead and target this. Apparently doing this gets like the air for the ozone. I don't know. Okay, so I see what they mean by it doesn't glide easy. I'm gonna turn it off. I can smell it. Okay, so the ozone that they're talking about, I don't really know what that means, but I did have my face steamer. I think the review is still on here. I recently, well, I gave it away to my cousin for her suite. She's a lactician, a big famous lactician, okay? She does a great job and she uses it to detox the locks. It does have a setting for ozone and I've used it a lot. That's what it smells like. So we'll see. But I'm gonna tie this around the end, like I've seen. Tied. Let's see. Let's see if there's any difference. I'm gonna turn up a little bit because I feel like I don't feel anything. That sounds a little higher. Let's see how this works. So, finger to ground it. Okay, I definitely feel it more. And I am sure you guys can hear it. I don't know what that's done. Wait, the gauze is moving. Okay, I felt a little shock. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Just gonna remove that. I'm going to switch to a larger head so I can get the rest of my face. I'm going to go in with this mushroom one. And I'm going to use this on the rest of my face. I'm actually just going to take a new piece of gauze. Because why not, right? Does it need to be thicker gauze? I don't know. I'm going to double up the gauze. Maybe that'll make a difference. So here we are. Did I struggle? I did. Am I ready to do it? So now I'm just going to go ahead and just do my entire face. One click. Turn it up a little bit. Oh, okay, so this is all the way up. I'm not there. So we're just gonna, maybe here. I'm gonna use my finger to ground it. And once I, all right, I'm just gonna take this off because it's too much. Too much going on, it's coming off. Maybe they add color. Oh, okay, I can feel this. It's like a little warm, but it's very, like you can barely tell. All right. You're just gonna wanna wipe this off with like a alcohol pad. I'm gonna put that aside so I can clean it, but I'm going to go in with this leaf attachment to try to get my under eye. Another way that I've seen it used with the gauze is to like have the gauze here and then just run it across. Ferris, can you get out? Sit. If you're gonna stay, he sat. I thought he was gonna wanna leave. Okay, so here we go again. Turn it up. Is it too high? I don't know. I'm gonna try here. I'm really just targeting the area that has the Professor Pimples. Let's see. I just don't know if there's any difference. Right. So I felt like a slight static, very slight, but let's try under the eye. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it off. And that's gonna be it for my first try. Again, you can clean these off with an alcohol pad, any kind of disinfectant, and they should be good. What I will say is I really like the shape of this. It does glide, it's like a perfect shape to go underneath the eye here. Definitely glides on better with the gauze, but I'm actually going to leave it at this. We're going to finish up. I'm going to insert a clip from tomorrow of how these look, but if you are interested in seeing more of this, I'm going to continue to use this in my everyday routine. I think you use it, I don't know if you can use it every day or every other day. I'm probably going to try to use it every other day. Definitely going to be using it more when I have breakouts because I do get hormonal breakouts. Luckily, they're not cystic, but that is going to be it. I will update you with a clip somewhere in this video to show you how it looks the next day. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time. All right. Yes, I'm close. Shut up. It's the next day. It's 6:41 a.m. There's no difference right now. Looks exactly the same. I just want to catch you guys before I did my skincare for the day. And I don't know if I need to do a higher frequency. It says no more than a few seconds on each spot. No more than 3 to 5 minutes for the first time use. Maybe as it goes on, it'll be easier. Or I could just crank it up and it'll actually be gone the next day. But it's there. I think it was more effective on this little one here. And I think I noticed that as I'm doing it, like it's going down a lot more. Feels like it's more dried out. But as for this Professor Pimple right here, it didn't do anything. I think I might have to call bullshit on those claims. However, I will keep using it. It says use it every other day. I will be doing that, and we'll see how it goes. I think I need to crank it up. The little toot. What was that? No, I need to turn it up and get electrocuted. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to give you a real update the very next day. And we'll obviously have more videos with it. I'll probably do like a month check-in, but that's it. Otherwise the skin is looking good. I didn't even do anything yet.